What's up? So today is 29th of July and the stock which we are going to analyze today is Gujarat State Fertilizers and Chemicals. So this is the daily time frame of Gujarat Fertilizers and Chemicals, and we can see here that the stock is in a good uptrend. It has been making higher highs and higher lows. So that's a good thing for us. And here we can see that after making a high, the stock has been consolidating for few days here. So to check whether this was a good consolidation or a good retracement, we use the FIBO tool. So basically guys, those of you don't know, I do naked chart analysis without any indicators except the volume indicator and FIBO tool. Those are the basic two things which I use in all my analysis, and I basically trade on chart patterns. So to check whether this was a healthy retracement, we use the FIBO tool from the last swing to the highest point, and we can see that the stock went up and came down to test the 0.5 levels of the FIBO tool. So I have told you in many of my videos that 0.5 levels are healthy retracement levels. Whenever a stock goes up and tests the 0.5 levels and gives us a breakout, then there's a high possibility that the stock will continue its uptrend. Now, if we talk about the chart pattern which Gujarat Fertilizers and Chemicals have formed, is a symmetrical triangle pattern. So if I draw a trend line like this and another trend line like this, we can see that it has formed a symmetrical triangle pattern and also given a breakout of the same. You can see the volume of the breakout candle, it is also good. So you might be having a doubt that okay, why did not we enter at the stock just after the breakout? So basically guys, there's a simple concept of stock taking a retest on the trend line whenever it gives a breakout. So this is the perfect example of it. The stock gave us a breakout, went up, came down, retested the trend line, and now it is going up. So guys, this is another thing which we have to consider, and here the setup is looking totally perfect, and the stock from here can give us a good momentum. And also we can see the price action guys. So here if I draw and show you, the stock went up, came down, again went up, couldn't break the previous high, came down, couldn't break the previous low as well. So this is called a consolidation zone. Okay, and here if we zoom in and we see the price action, so the stock came down, it went up, it again came down, did not break the previous low but broke the previous high, came down, did not break the previous low, and went up. So this is the perfect price action of an uptrend which the stock is making. So this also gives us some confidence in this stock. And now if I talk about the RR ratio and the targets and the stop loss, so if we get entry over here anywhere around 118, we can keep our stop loss just below the big red candle, and that's around 114, and we can aim an RR ratio of easily 1:2 because there's a high probability that if the stock breaks the all-time high of the stock, then it is going to give us a good momentum. So we can aim for an RR ratio or minimum RR ratio of 1:2, and if you guys want to capture more points, then you can use the strategy of trailing the stop loss. As and when the stock goes in our direction, you can just keep trailing the stop loss. That's how you can manage your trade and capture some more extra points. So this was my analysis guys. This was a basic simple analysis of Gujarat Gas. The similar analysis we had done on Airtel the day before yesterday. I am going to give the link of the video in the I button so that you can check the whole video, whole analysis. And here we analyzed the stock around this level, 540 level, and you can see on the other day, the next day, yesterday it gave a move of 5%. So that's how, guys. I'm not telling that every time this is going to perform, because trading is a game of probabilities and we have the possibility that the stock can go up. Similarly, guys, let me show you the importance of stop loss. We also had analyzed Aurobindo Pharma, and I'll just show you the analysis of the same. So we had analyzed Aurobindo Pharma around this level, guys. So this was the pattern. This was the pattern Aurobindo Pharma had formed and given a breakout of the same. And you can see the volume of the breakout candle as well, guys. It was just amazing. But the stock came down, it failed, and now it has formed a really bearish pattern, and this is the pattern which we are seeing here. Aurobindo Pharma has failed the pattern of the falling wedge. So what happens in a falling wedge is the stock consolidates in a channel, and it is tilted down, and from here it gives a breakout and the stock continues its momentum. But here it has given a breakdown and it is a failure of a bullish pattern. So there are uh, more chances that the stock can go down, because its next support area is somewhere around 840 850 levels. So you have to be cautious, guys. If we had kept a stop loss system, stop loss over here, then we would have got exited from this trade here only. And also, guys, I have to share one more thing with you, that day before yesterday when we analyzed Airtel stock, one of our subscriber in the comment section mentioned about SAIL, which was making a similar pattern, and let me show you. And I was quite happy that my subscribers, our family members, are also commenting down their analysis and learning something from this. So that's a good point. So SAIL had also formed a symmetrical triangle over here. So let me show you. This was the analysis, and this was the trend line, and this was the breakout. But guys, the only thing here in this setup which I did not like is the volume of the breakout candle was not that good. Like, it was not above the previously formed red candle, so I did not consider this stock. But it's a good analysis and also it is performing, so that's a good thing. But if I were there, I wouldn't have selected this stock because the volume was low than the previous red candle. But that's a good thing that you guys are sharing your analysis in the comments, and that's making me feel good. And I hope you have learned something from this video, guys. And please feel free to comment down below if you have any stocks in your radar. Also, if you have learned something from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Help my channel grow, and when you like this video, it motivates me, guys. So please do it.